Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to draw in the sketch. To draw we require a pen. So there are codes here but there is no option called pen or there are no codes called pen. So we will go to here, there is option called add extension. If we click here this window will open and if there is option called pen we will click on it and the pen codes will appear here. So to draw, we will firstly take when green flag clicked, then we will take pen up, we'll make a clean slate. See what is a clean slate you can see on the screen. Then erase all. Then go to x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. Then point in direction 90. Then we will take pen down. So this clean slate is ready now. Now we will draw something. We'll make a block called a square. We'll draw a square. So we'll draw a square. Here it is. We'll attach this here. Move 100 steps we will take. Then move 90 degree. Turn 90 degree. We will require it 4 times, so I will duplicate it 4 times. So now see the square has been drawn. Here you can see it. The square very nicely drawn here correctly. So we have drawn the square. Next video we will learn drawing some shapes but in different ways. Till then, bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.